What if I told you about an easy homemade drink that could give you rock-solid, long-lasting erections like when you were young? No pills, no doctor's note, and zero side effects. Picture tossing a few natural ingredients into a glass and feeling your blood pumping stronger in just 20 minutes. For countless men over 60, this isn't fantasy. It's their new truth. I'm Dr. Laura, a urologist and men's health expert who's helped guys reclaim their energy, confidence, and bedroom performance. I've worked with everyone from retired soldiers to elite athletes, and I've witnessed how the perfect natural solution can bring back what you assumed was lost for good. Here's what might surprise you. The most effective solution I found for men in their 60s and beyond doesn't come from a pharmacy. It starts with a humble deep red root vegetable you've likely walked past countless times in the grocery store. When paired with just the right partners from your kitchen, it can unlock a level of circulation and energy you haven't felt in years. Today, I'll share 5 powerful beetroot-based recipes, each designed for a specific goal: one for rapid performance, another for convenience, one to boost stamina, one to protect your heart, and one to keep your energy high all day long. Stay with me, because in just a few moments, I'll walk you through each recipe, step by step, so you can choose the one that fits your life and start seeing results almost immediately. This could be the turning point you've been waiting for. Before we get started, if you haven't subscribed yet, take a moment to hit that button and turn on the bell so you'll never miss another health tip designed to keep you strong, confident, and performing at your best. And after you listen, type 1 in the comments if you're ready to try one of these beetroot recipes, or 0 if you'd like me to create a different formula just for you. All right, let's begin with the first and fastest formula: the beetroot plus ginger and watermelon performance boost. This is the go-to drink when you want powerful, noticeable results the very same evening, working with your body's natural rhythms to deliver maximum circulation exactly when you need it most. When a man reaches his 60s or beyond, he often notices that his body doesn't respond quite as quickly as it once did. You might still feel the desire, but the physical reaction takes longer, feels weaker, or doesn't happen at all. I've seen it countless times in my clinic, and I've also seen the light return to a man's eyes when he realizes there's a way to change it naturally, safely, and without the crutch of pills. That's why I start with this formula first. It's my most trusted, fastest-acting recipe, the one I've shared with countless patients who wanted results tonight, not weeks from now. This blend starts with fresh beetroot peeled and chopped, because the skin can sometimes cause digestive discomfort. Beetroot is your powerhouse. It's packed with nitrates that your body converts into nitric oxide, the molecule that relaxes blood vessels and lets blood flow more freely. When blood flow improves, so does your ability to get and maintain a strong erection. Next, I add a 1-inch piece of fresh ginger root. Ginger doesn't just add a pleasant warmth to the flavor, it actively reduces inflammation in your blood vessels, allowing them to stay open and flexible, which means the blood can move smoothly to every part of your body. Then comes the watermelon. You might think of it as just a sweet summer treat, but it's one of nature's richest sources of citrulline, an amino acid your body converts into arginine, which then becomes nitric oxide through a second pathway. This means you're hitting the problem from 2 angles at once: beetroot's nitrates and watermelon's citrulline. The result is a faster, stronger, and longer-lasting effect than using either ingredient alone. I stir in 4 ounces of pure pomegranate juice. No added sugar, just the real thing, because pomegranate contains antioxidants that not only protect your nitric oxide from breaking down too soon, but can also increase its production by as much as 50%. Finally, I add a pinch of cayenne pepper. This might sound unusual, but the capsaicin in cayenne triggers an immediate widening of your blood vessels, giving you a quick boost you can actually feel. The way you drink this matters. I tell my patients to juice the beetroot, ginger, and watermelon together. Then stir in the pomegranate juice and cayenne. Serve it over ice and drink it slowly, letting each sip stay in your mouth for 10 to 15 seconds. This gives the natural bacteria in your mouth time to start converting the nitrates before they even reach your stomach. About 30 minutes after you finish, eat one small square of dark chocolate with at least 70% cacao. It will help preserve the nitric oxide you've just created and give you a subtle lift in mood and confidence. Drink this 2 to 3 hours before intimacy, and you'll be amazed at how your body responds. I've had men call me the very next day to say they hadn't felt that kind of strength in years. And while this is my fastest formula, it's not the only one. The next recipe is for the man who's always on the go, who wants the same powerful results, but with even more convenience. 2. Beetroot powder plus ginger and pomegranate quick mix. Not every man has the time or energy to wash, peel, and juice fresh vegetables, and I understand that many of my patients are busy even in retirement, or they simply don't have the patience for a lot of kitchen prep. That's why I created this quick mix formula, because powerful results shouldn't depend on whether you own a juicer. This is the perfect option for those days when you want the same surge in circulation and vitality, but need it in a form you can make in minutes. The heart of this blend is high-quality, organic beetroot powder. Don't confuse this with the cheap diluted versions you find in bargain bins. Look for pure additive-free powder from a reputable brand. 1 teaspoon of this powder can pack the nitrate content of an entire beetroot, making it incredibly efficient. When my patients switch to beetroot powder, they often notice it hits just as hard as the fresh juice, sometimes even faster, because there's no pulp or fiber to slow digestion. Into this, I add fresh grated ginger or ginger juice. Just like in the first recipe, ginger's role is to open up your circulation by reducing inflammation and keeping your blood vessels flexible. But here, because the powder dissolves so quickly, the ginger's effect is almost immediate. You'll feel a gentle warmth spreading through your body as the blood starts flowing more freely. Then comes watermelon juice, or if it's not in season, a teaspoon of pure L-citrulline powder. Either choice works beautifully to activate that second nitric oxide pathway through arginine, creating a double hit of vasodilation. I've had men tell me that on days they used both beetroot nitrates and watermelon citrulline, the results weren't just stronger, they lasted well into the next morning. Pomegranate juice comes next, and I'll be honest, I never skip it. Its antioxidants not only protect nitric oxide from breaking down, but seem to give the whole system a noticeable boost. Men who've added pomegranate to their daily regimen often tell me their energy feels steadier, their mood lighter, and their erections more dependable. Finally, just a pinch of cayenne pepper. This is the spark that wakes up your blood vessels instantly. To make this drink, simply add all the ingredients to 12 ounces of cold filtered water. Stir well and let it sit for about 5 minutes so the powder fully dissolves, then sip slowly. I like to tell my patients to take their time with it. Rushing won't make it work faster, and the more it mingles with your saliva, the better the nitrate conversion. It's perfect for mornings when you want all-day readiness, or you can take it 2 to 3 hours before intimacy for that same reliable boost. And while this is the most convenient way to get beetroot's benefits, some men want more than just convenience. They want endurance, the kind that lets them keep going long after most would stop. That's where the next recipe comes in. 3 beetroot plus spinach and blueberry endurance blend. There's a difference between a quick spark and a steady flame. A quick spark is great for the moment, but if you're the kind of man who wants his energy, stamina, and performance to last not just for one encounter, but through an entire evening, this is the blend I recommend. I've shared it with men who told me they wanted to feel in control, to have the confidence of knowing their body would keep up, no matter how long the night went. This recipe isn't just about instant results. It's about sustained power. We start, as always, with fresh beetroot peeled and chopped for easy juicing. The nitrates here will get your nitric oxide production started, opening up those blood vessels so you can deliver more oxygen and nutrients where they're needed. But then I layer in fresh spinach. People don't often realize it, but spinach is also high in nitrates, which means you're doubling down right from the start. It's like stacking two powerful engines together. You get more horsepower, and it lasts longer. Next come blueberries, and I can't emphasize enough how important they are in this blend. Blueberries are loaded with antioxidants that protect nitric oxide from breaking down too soon. They're also anti-inflammatory, helping keep your arteries relaxed and responsive. Patients who've added blueberries to their beetroot routine often tell me they feel a difference not just in the bedroom, but in their overall energy during the day. Of course, I also bring watermelon back into the mix. The citrulline it contains gives you that second nitric oxide pathway, which means while the beetroot and spinach are opening your blood vessels quickly, the watermelon is helping keep them open for hours afterward. This is one of the key reasons men find this drink gives them staying power. It's like having a backup system, keeping the blood flow strong even when the first surge begins to fade. Finally, a teaspoon of raw honey is stirred in at the end. This isn't just for taste. Honey provides a slow, steady release of natural sugars, giving your muscles the fuel they need without a crash. It's the difference between burning bright for a few minutes and burning steadily for hours. To prepare it, juice the beetroot, spinach, watermelon, and blueberries together. Stir in the honey until it's fully dissolved, then pour it over ice. Drink it slowly, savoring the flavor, and know that with every sip, you're building a foundation of endurance that will serve you well beyond tonight. Men who try this often tell me they're surprised, not just by the results in the bedroom, but by how alive they feel afterward, how much energy they still have to enjoy the rest of their evening. But endurance is only part of the picture. Some men come to me because they want more than performance. They want to protect their heart, lower their blood pressure, and know that the same drink keeping them strong in the bedroom is also adding years to their life. That's why the next formula might be the most important of them all. 4. Beetroot powder plus cranberry and turmeric heart support. When I sit across from a man in my office, and he tells me he's worried about his heart, I know we're talking about more than just cholesterol numbers or blood pressure readings. We're talking about his life, his ability to be there for his spouse, to walk his granddaughter down the aisle, to enjoy the little things without fear that his heart might fail him. That's why I created this formula. It's not just about performance in the bedroom. It's about protecting the very engine that keeps you alive. Beetroot powder forms the foundation once again. The concentrated nitrates don't just help with erections, they improve overall circulation, reducing the strain on your heart by allowing blood to flow more freely. For a man over 60, this can mean fewer episodes of fatigue, fewer dizzy spells, and a renewed sense of stamina for daily life. When circulation improves, your heart doesn't have to fight as hard, and every beat works more efficiently. To that I add unsweetened cranberry juice. This is one of the most underestimated heart health drinks you can find. The antioxidants in cranberry juice help reduce plaque buildup in your arteries, almost like gently cleaning out the pipes in your home's plumbing. Cleaner arteries means smoother blood flow, which benefits everything from brain function to sexual performance. My patients who drink cranberry juice regularly often tell me they feel lighter, as if their body isn't working against itself anymore. Then comes turmeric, one of the most powerful natural anti-inflammatories on earth. Chronic inflammation is like a slow burn inside your blood vessels. It makes them stiff, narrow, and prone to blockages. Turmeric helps cool that burn, keeping your arteries flexible and responsive. But turmeric alone isn't enough. Your body needs help to absorb it fully. That's why I always add just a pinch of black pepper. This tiny addition can increase turmeric absorption by up to 2,000%, ensuring you get every bit of its healing potential. To prepare this drink, I tell my patients to mix beetroot powder, cranberry juice, turmeric and black pepper into 12 ounces of cold filtered water. Stir it until it's fully combined, then sip it slowly. I recommend drinking it in the morning, on an empty stomach every day for 21 days, followed by a 7-day break before repeating. This cycle keeps your body sensitive to the benefits without building tolerance. Men who stick to this routine often report more stable blood pressure, improved energy, and even a warmer, healthier complexion from the improved circulation. And while this formula is all about the heart, it still delivers noticeable benefits where you want them most. But for some men, the goal isn't just to protect the heart or boost performance for a single night. It's to wake up every day with steady energy, sharp focus, and the quiet confidence that they're ready for whatever life throws at them. That's exactly what the final recipe is designed to do. 5. Beetroot plus banana and flaxseed morning vitality smoothie. There's something powerful about starting your day with the right fuel. I've always told my patients that the first thing you put into your body each morning sets the tone for the hours ahead. Too many men skip breakfast or grab something processed and sugary, not realizing they're robbing themselves of the steady energy and clear focus they need to truly feel alive. That's why I love this smoothie. It's not just breakfast, it's a full-body wake-up call that primes your circulation, sharpens your mind, and lays the groundwork for vitality all day long. It begins with fresh beetroot, peeled and chopped, before going into the blender. Even in smoothie form, beetroot's nitrates work their magic, boosting nitric oxide and opening your blood vessels. This isn't about a quick surge like an energy drink. It's about creating a healthy, lasting environment for blood flow, so that every organ, from your brain to your muscles, gets the oxygen it needs. My patients often tell me that when they start their mornings with beetroot, they feel more alert, without the jitters of coffee. Next comes a ripe banana. Beyond its natural sweetness, banana delivers potassium, a mineral that helps balance blood pressure and keeps your heart rhythm steady. Paired with beetroot, it supports both short-term performance and long-term cardiovascular health. The banana also gives the smoothie a creamy texture, making it a pleasure to drink. I add Greek yogurt for protein. Protein isn't just for building muscle, it also helps stabilize blood sugar, so your energy stays level. For men over 60, getting enough protein in the morning can make the difference between feeling sluggish by mid-morning and feeling strong right through lunch. Then I add almond milk, which keeps the smoothie light and dairy-free, while providing vitamin E for artery health. Flax seeds are the quiet powerhouse in this blend. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, they help keep your blood vessels flexible and reduce inflammation. I've had patients tell me that after adding flax seeds to their daily routine, their joints feel looser and their energy lasts longer into the evening. Finally, a sprinkle of cinnamon not only enhances flavor, but helps regulate blood sugar, which can be especially important for men watching their metabolic health. To prepare it, blend the beetroot, banana, Greek yogurt, almond milk, flax seeds, and cinnamon until completely smooth. Drink it cold and unhurried, letting it set the pace for a steady, productive day. This smoothie is more than just a meal, it's an investment in the way you feel, look, and perform at any age. And while this simple daily routine keeps you at your peak, it works even better when paired with the other beetroot recipes we've covered. Because when you combine them, you're not just prepping for a great night, you're building a body that's always ready for passion, energy, and lasting health. Now let me leave you with one final thought. To bring everything full circle, when I look at these 5 beetroot recipes, I don't just see ingredients in a glass. I see men finding themselves again. I see the spark in their eyes, the firm grip in their handshake, and that quiet pride of knowing their body can still deliver passion and vitality. Whether you pick the fast fix, the stamina booster, the heart helper, or the morning energizer, each one puts you back in charge of your health. I've seen these small changes rewrite lives, and yours could be next. Start today, because your best years aren't behind you, they're waiting.